YouTube, we're back again. I got my buddy here, Cody. We're doing a man bun skin fade. This is a pretty good video to get some nuggets on, and check it out. So we're gonna start off by balding the bottom of the hair with the T-outliners. Any trimmer of your choice will work, preferably ones that aren't too sharp so that you don't mess your hitters up. You want to keep your hitters away from balding so you don't gotta change your blade right away. So just use your rinky-dink T-outliners or edgers to take out the bottom of the hair. We're gonna go up about an inch or so, a little dip in the back. I always like to keep a little bit more in the back so I can fade up over that bump in the back instead of skinning it too high and then just having it, just give you more room for options. So going all the way around the head with the edges, and then we're gonna come back here with the shaver. I still have the Sanders shaver for 3 years, man. So still holding out strong. I haven't even bought any of these new shavers because this one works still. So let me know if you guys have a better shaver recommendation, but this guy's a workhorse. Right here, we're gonna use our 5-star cordless seniors with the Tomb 45 Eco battery, which has turned these into super clippers. I love the battery. I'm gonna make a whole review on it soon. So we got the bottom line, we got the blade open. The top line, we got a 1 guard all the way open. Now we're gonna shut the lever and we're gonna go up and we're gonna just hit that bottom line with that one all the way shut. And we are gonna take that half guard and we're gonna try to butter out that bottom line and make it buttery smooth right here. Now at the top, he doesn't want any hairs, so I'm just combing the hairs that are long to the side. I'm taking a 2 guard and I'm just pulling away his long hair. He said everything that's not in the bun, cut it down to a 2, and then that's all I want, keep the hair growing. So right here, we're taking out that bottom line with the blade all the way shut, and we're gonna open and close it as needed. As you can see my thumb, you move a little bit, open, close, pull the ear down, open, close, not staying in one position too long. That's how you create lines. So if you're going with the same thing, you keep moving, good luck. You just create a line. So you gotta, adjust the blade every couple strokes, switch it up, move, different angles. That's how you create less work for yourself. So right here, we got the 1.5 guard. I have a gray 1.5 guard, so you can tell right away there's a 1.5 guard because it's the only one that's gray. Now we have the 1 guard, and we're just gonna take out that, we're just working on that bottom line. And I'm kind of like keeping it dark. I didn't want to take it too high, so I wanted it to be granular. So that's why I'm, taking my time detailing that middle area instead of just taking it up super high, and keeping it contrasted so that it looks good. Now we're just gonna go back with the shaver, and we're just gonna try to clean up that fade as much as possible. We're keeping the shaver just nice and tight down there without creating any lines or anything. So just hitting the corner of the shaver. Now we're just doing the corners of the blade with the half guard. We're gonna edge up that front with the gold Babyliss Gold FX, and we are almost done with this side. Looks phenomenal. This is a new camera I got. It's a Sony camera. If you guys like the quality, let me know in the comments section below. It's better than my phone, I think. So right here, we're in the back, and your back head steps are going to be slightly bigger than your side of the head steps, because the hair in the back of the head is always thicker than the hair on the sides. That's just genetics. I don't know why it is. You got the lever all the way shut. We're going to take out that bottom line. Now look at the thumb. all the way open, close it a little bit, close it all the way, excuse me, and just watch the thumb work. Now we got the one guard, and we're gonna take out that bottom line. We're gonna fade up, and he had these hairs on the side right there that are too long. I didn't know if we wanted to keep them yet, so I don't know if those were growing hairs or if those were cut these off hairs. So I just left the long hairs until I got to them on this side. So we got the half guard, or the half all the way open, which is a half. Now we're gonna shut the lever, take out the bottom line, and we're moving right here. We're doing different steps on this side because I've been cutting so long I can do it anyway. There's a 1.5, one guard all the way open. We're taking up about 1 inch. Now we have the 2 guard, and you see I pulled those hairs I was talking about out the way. So I asked him, I was like, what are you doing with these hairs right here? Oh yeah, I pulled them out the way. He said, cut them. Yeah, there it goes. So those hairs are wrapped. And pretty much the same steps on this side. We got the 2 all the way up. We got the 1 guard now. And we're just trying to soften up that spot right there between the half and the 1.5. Now we have the half guard. And we're concentrating with the left corner of the blade right there. See it's getting softened up. Got a text message. 2 text messages. Now we got the 1 guard all the way open. Close it right there. You can watch the thumb with the lever. There's a half guard. And this is if you're new to cutting hair, you're gonna do 10,000 fades. So even more than that. So this came out crispy. So we're doing detail work. We got the edges now. We're gonna line them up a little bit. And here is the bottom with the shaver. There we go. Coming together real nice. I'm moving too fast for my commentary on here. There's a 1.5 guard, the only gray guard I got. Back to more detailed work. So steps are pretty easy, guys. There's a shaver taking out that little bottom line. And you see how I left it lower in the back so that the fade will kind of wrap around the head. It's not too low, but it's not just like the fade doesn't go all the way across the head like this, so that you have to contrast it with the skull. So he's letting the beard grow. We're lining the beard up here, and it's kind of out of focus, but you get the idea. Pull the skin back. Now I'm fading the corner of that beard. Tap this here mustache real quick, and we got another one in the books. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of videos coming out this month, so subscribe to the channel. I got 10 ready to drop, and I'm still creating more content. If you're new to the channel, check out the other videos I got. I got product reviews, I got haircut tutorials, I got a lot of stuff that is already in the vault that is good use to check on, and then I have new stuff coming all the time. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Check out the final results here, and you guys have a good one.